It's vital for us to be able to come out to these communities that we operate and do business in and help and give back. We're not just solely here to move freight. We're also here to help residents in the community.
What we found is that there's 7,000 homes in this area that are still in need.
We desperately need the help. It's almost hurricane season again, and my house is completely gutted.
At the end of today, we're hoping that the 10 homes that we're visiting have new drywall and that we're able to go away, and then so the next crew can come in and help finish this home.
The fact that we're able to do what a person on their own would struggle with, over a month's time period, we're able to have that impact here in just one single day.
The homes that we touch, we want to make a difference, and we really want those people to realize that there are good people out here willing to help them, and that there can be hope for them.